Let's depend on the chick. I'm just trying to get
If
out
that's
tonight.
what that bad
If that bitch
hell,
stop
hit
bad
that
as
bitch
hell,
right at the
hit that bitch right at the
spot.
spot.
I don't know what she thought it
But we
was.
gon' move way too much. Try to smell just like a mutt. This shit look just like
Nah,
a slut.
for real. I don't know what the hell she thought it was. And I got them rats on me. Yo, brother. Yo.
Ali, Ali.
What's good, brother? And I got them rats on me. Fucking. God damn. Hell, these niggas be on this side of town. I gotta get the fuck off and over here. Damn. That fuck nigga there, man. Shit. Yeah. What's that word, brother? Shit, man.
You get to some money and shit right quick.
Hell yeah, man. Look, twin. You know, I just came up. Listen, twin. I ain't doing no capping. I'm riding around with it on me, Twinsky. Yeah. Real D-boy, man.
You fuck with them OSN niggas?
Hell yeah, some of this scrap. I be out the way, though, twin.
Hey, Sean, we gonna make their ass feel this one. Slow that shit
Why,
down.
why you say that, though, Bleed?
Ass. Trying to see who are they beefing with.
Oh, no. Double S out the way. Hell no, hell no. We out the way, twin. Get out of here. Hey, I'm finna shoot that switch. Get out of here. Fuck wrong with him, twin? Boy, that tripping, man.
Behind you.
Shit, but hell yeah, twin. I'm finna go make that other play, though, gang.
That's it right here, bro.
I'ma see you around, brother. Stay dangerous, gangster.
Alright.
Hey, what's your... Hey, get my goddamn contact, gang. You got that? Yeah. Stay dangerous, Bleed.
So,
God damn, twin. But that down there killed me with $250,000 on me. Let me get the fuck on. Oh, man. Who the fuck? Oh, I got your dumb ass, boy. Man, that whole geek, man. Fuck wrong with him, twin. Fuck my whip at, man. Damn, Bleed, he killed you too?
yeah, another nigga killed me.
Tight shit, man. God damn, man. Fuck nigga love fucking up the movie, man.
Yeah.
Shit, these must be college apartments in front of us. And these must be college apartments in front of us.
Shit, it looked like it.
Tight shit. That might be A-back.
Where you was?
Hey, take me back to the whip. Where I was just at, gang. I gotta get my goddamn money out of that bitch.
Okay, go ahead. You got the keys.
Shit, I don't know where that bitch at, twin. Shit, you don't know where I was just at? Yeah, appreciate it, Bleed. So shit, how you get a car like this, bro?
Motherfuckers be spending money.
Okay. You ain't never like sold no drugs in there? Appreciate it, bro.
So I mean, a little bit, not too much, nothing serious.
Tight shit, boy. You a real dope boy. I see it, man. I don't forget the fuck on off and out here, gang. Stay dangerous, love. I gotta go put the goddamn money up, twin. I ain't gonna count, I bet. I ain't gonna count, I bet. I ain't gonna have. Yup. Here you talking about. Yup. This shit on me, man. This shit is on me, man. Let me show y'all real quick, man. This shit is on me, man. This shit is on me, man. This shit is on me, man. No hat, gang. You see it, twin. Yup. Yup. Yes, sir, ski. They're all me, twin. Cheno, what you made today? I made all type of shit. Yeah, you talking about, nigga. Trapping ain't nothing but a well word. Sugar rob a nigga ass. Nah, them boy don't want to see me rob a nigga ass. I ain't gonna count. Oh shit, 12 up here. Yup. Fuck the four goddamn pole up. Don't hit them 4 pole back that bit. I lost 12, y'all. Look at him. Yup. Go in that bitch, get me something to eat. No, I ain't flexing, man. Nah, I ain't flexing. Damn, where the fuck everybody at? Take this shit back.
Stop running away.
Yo, how did you find me, bro? Bro, how did you find me, bro?
Oh, easy, just walking. Walked after you.
Why you did that for, bro?
Well, because I want to save you by, if there's anybody trying to kill you, I'm just gonna protect.
So you my bodyguard.
Because I have a freaking sniper rifle.
Oh, yeah? You want to use that thing? I said, do you want to use that thing?
This thing? Eh,
Yeah, that sniper rifle.
yeah.
So you want to be my bodyguard, huh?
All that it has is one bullet.
Yeah, but you want to be my bodyguard, huh?
Only.
Nah, I'm good, gang. I'm good, bro. Hey, why you stopping on my car, bro? What's your problem, bro? Get in, bro. Bro, get in, bro. Bro, why you trying to troll, bro? Get in, bro. Dude, are you not gonna get in, bro? All right, get in now, bro. So, bro, where you want to go? You want to troll?
Drive.
You said what, bro? I said, where you want to go at, bro? Hey, you heard that?
Heard.
Hey, you heard that, bro? Yo, can you hear me, bro? Hey, bro, can you hear me, bro? Alright. Yeah, when I play, I'm finna hit that, that Jake Ceno on your head now. Damn. Yo, what's going on right there, bro? What's wrong, bro? Yo, what's wrong, bro? Y'all had an accident? What's wrong, bro? Arton, what's wrong, brother? Bye, Arton. Bye, Arton. Pick up the drugs. No head. Yup. Shit. Fuck around with So yeah, man, as y'all can see, man, I done made a whole million, you feel me? Bitch said my pussy hurt. What the fuck? For that tripping, man. My car clean as fuck, man. I ain't gonna lie. No hat. That girl Nene in the chat going crazy. Ballistics? No hat. Yeah. What's that word, twin?
Yo, what's good?
Shit, how you trying to buy some Zot?
Nah, bro, I'm good, bro.
Yeah. Shit, what that word is though, brother?
For sure.
What that word is?
Ain't nothing much, bro. Really, I'm about to hop off soon.
Shit, nobody ain't having no party tonight?
Not that I know of, bro.
Damn. The street dry, man. I feel like 21 now. Shit, fuck the street.
Oh, you better.
Yeah. Shit, I'm trying to get that workout, twin.
I feel you. Me too, bro.
Yeah, what you got for sale, man?
They ain't chasing yet.
Shit, what you got for sale? He ain't got shit.
Shit, what?
I said, what you got for sale?
Shit, I ain't on sale today, bro.
Oh, okay. You just said you trying to get that. You just said you trying to get out that work. What, you out here lying?
Yo, I might get hop off the game.
Oh, okay. You sleepy. Okay.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm mad tired.
Yeah. You talking like it, too. You sound like your bird stinking in the motherfucker.
Bro, it's like 3 a.m. over here, bro.
Yeah. We on the same earth. It pretty much the same time over here, gang. We on the same earth.
So where you from?
Shit, how fast your whip go, though?
Should go 350, 360.
Damn, what you do for a living?
I do trades, stocks and stuff.
Oh, okay. What, for that?
What you?
I do trades and shit like that. Binary trades and shit.
Oh, shoot for sure. What futures you use?
We ain't gonna get into all that, gang. I don't want to know your life story. I was just asking a question, brother.
You right, bro. I don't blame.
Yeah.
I'll catch you later, bro. Say
Yeah. Stay dangerous, brother. A nigga just asked about his ass earlier. No hat. When they catch his ass, they gonna do his ass bad. No cap. You did. We up here trapping, man. No hat. Guess we just sit up here wait for that nigga to pull up here. Shit, I mean that motherfucker though. You feel me? Nigga need that Zach. Nigga need where to pull up at, man. What would you say?
I just got a few million. Bought a spot for my children. I just bought some more jewelry. Ain't shit changed my rich game. Not a stain on my name. You can't hang where I hang. I ain't gotta come BP. These niggas need to be DP. If she with me, she going CC. Anytime I open up my mouth, all you see is VV. Anytime I got her at my house, all she know is eat me. I just counted up $2 million out of cash, bitch, I ain't never cheat. Poppin' shits in the CD, Van Cleef for my preteen. Got your bitch on my B team. When it corner holes, I got a dream team. Celine King, I'm a lean fiend. All these motherfucking diamonds, bitch, no competition, it's just me at the top.